Hello everybody, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to fix Instagram unable to load images. So in order to solve this problem guys, you basically have two options. The first option you need to check is if your Instagram application is updated, because if it's not, that might be the main problem guys. So go to your Play Store and check if your Instagram app is updated. And if this didn't solve your problem, now you need to use the second option, which is go into your phone settings and then scroll down and click on apps and then tap on manage apps and make sure to search for Instagram, then click on it. And what you guys need to do now is to tap on clear data, and then you need to tap on these two options, which is clear all data and also click on clear your caches. And after you guys finish, then click on add permissions and make sure to allow all of these options, which is camera, files and media, microphone, etc. And now just try to open up your Instagram and see if the problem has been solved. But if not, the one thing you need to do is to uninstall and reinstall the Instagram application. So yeah guys, that is basically how you can fix Instagram unable to load images. If you guys found this tutorial helpful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, take care until next time.